Hello students, today we will learn the chapter 11, Who Likes the Rain? Okay, this means who likes the rain. Let's see the poem. Who likes the rain? I, said the duck. I call it fun, for I have my red rubbers on. They make a little three toes track in the soft cool mud. Quack quack. Okay, this is the duck, and this duck is saying that yes, I like the rain because I wear red colored shoes in my leg, and it makes me cool, and it makes me fun to walk in the mud and sing quack quack. Okay, now see. I, cried the Dalian. My roots are thirsty, my birds are dry. And she lifted a tousled yellow head out of her green and grassy bed. Okay, here Dahlias means a kind of a small yellow flower. See, here you can see that yellow flower. Okay, that yellow flower is saying and crying that yes, I like the rain because my roots are thirsty, my birds are dry. So she can, if she gets rain, she can twirls means messy, so that her head yellow color, so that the flower can get blossom. Okay, out of a green and grassy bed, and she will look green and grassy bed, and she will look beautiful while the flower gets blossom. Okay, now see. I hope trill pour the tree toad at the grey bark door. For with the broad leaf for a roof, I am perfectly waterproof. Here I is that frog. See, here is the frog, and the frog is saying that I like the rain. Why? Here trill means it will be pour, means the water is dropping on the frog, and he said that yes, I like the rain. And here the bark means the rough outer covering of a tree, means here it is saying that yes, when the rain will fall, I will cover myself with this leaf, with this strip, and I will not get wet, but I like the rain. I am perfectly waterproof, and it's saying that yes, I am perfectly waterproof. I do. If water falls on me, it will not affect me. Okay, here learn the Dahlian, a kind small yellow flower. Underline it and learn it. Tozzle, messy, trill, it will. Okay, and bark, covering of a tree. Okay, now see next. Sang the brook, I laugh at every drop, and wish they never need to stop. Till a big river I grow to be, and could find my way to the sea. Here I is that river. You can see this water river. Okay, this river is saying yes, I like the rain because it will never become dry, and after falling the rain, my river will become big, and so that I could find my way, and I could find my way to the sea, and I can become the sea. Okay, I shouted, Ted, for I can run with my high top boots and raincoats on, though every puddle and runlet and pools I find on the road to school. Okay, here Ted is indicating about this boy. Okay, this boy is saying yes, I like rain because I can run on that mud with my high. See, you can see this boots. He's saying that yes, I will wear this boot, and I will wear the raincoat, and I will enjoy each and every drop of the rain. Here runlet means a tiny stream. Underline it and learn it. Okay, runlet, because it will become on the roadside. What? It will become a tiny stream and pool, and I find on the road to school. And it is saying that I can skip my school, because if it is be raining, if it will be raining, water will be stream will become, then how can he go to the school? So he is saying that he can skip that school. Okay, who has written? Clara Dotty Bates. Okay, now see the question answer. Okay, let's see. Choose the correct answer. The red rubber on the ducks are its webbed feet. Answer is its webbed feet. The dallian's head is tossed because the petals are dry. The answer is the petals are dry. The tree toad is safe from the run under a broad leaf. Okay. Next, the brook likes the rain because it wants to find its way to the sea. The answer is sea. Ted likes to run through the dash on the way to school. Puddle. The answer is puddles. Okay. Now see the question answer. Answer this question. Do you like the rain? Why or why not? Do you like the rain? Yes, I like the rain because I can make a boat and I make the boat and makes it float in the water. Okay. From the poem, pick out the sound made by the duck. Quack, quack. What sound do the other speakers in the poem make? Okay. See here the answers are. Okay. What kind of the clothes would you wear if you went out in the rain? Raincoat and boots. Boots. The duck feet make a three-toed track in the mud. Have you ever noticed a footprint? Yes. What kind of track do other animals make? It's a three type. Okay. Ted is happy to play in the rain because he has his boots and raincoat. Would you happy to play in the rain if you were not covered up? Why or why not? No, because we will fall sick after getting wet in the rain. Okay. I hope you have all understood the poem. Thank you.